welcome back. It is Brittalacious, and I am so excited today to bring you all a DIY on the Ivy Park Times Adidas sock boot. This turned out, look at it. Wait a minute, let's just look at it. It looks just like the shoe. It turned out so amazing. I was literally bouncing off the walls when I finished it because I just could not believe that it looks, to me, identical to what she was wearing. If you were able to only get the socks, or if you weren't able to get anything, I did hear that they were going to not re-release, but release some more things and also have another color wave. So if they have the socks, I definitely recommend you guys go for the socks. They were the cheapest thing, only $25. They were the last things to go. So if you want the Ivy Park look, or you just want to get a little some from the Ivy Park collection, I definitely recommend going for the socks. So before we get into that, Adidas, Beyonce, hey Beyonce, if you see this, I hope this is okay to make. I didn't think it would be an issue. It looks like that was done in the photo shoot. I'm just trying to do what I think you would want us to do. I think this would make you proud because the girls was trying to get the look, you know? So this is definitely the look for right now, the look for less in Ivy Park. Let's go ahead and get into what I've used to create this look. So you're gonna need some Fray Check, anti-slip pads for the bottom of the shoe, a needle and thread, the socks. Now I used that color, but it came in a pack of 3. It was only $25. And the shoes. So I bought my shoes from Fashion Nova. I can't remember how much it cost, but I will put the link in the bio if they are still available. These are the shoes that look just like the ones that she had on to me. It has a gold heel. I have a size 6. It fits true to size to me, but of course read the reviews to make the best purchase for you all. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. In my sock, I have a size small. I do want you all to keep that in mind when you are grabbing these socks. Try to get one that is going to be your size so that it can fit on the shoe snug. Make sure that the Adidas symbol is straight and that it's not crooked on the sock. You don't want your stuff to be all lopsided looking. Don't pull it too tight. This is where I made my mistake. It did not pull up correctly and hit the hem of the sock to the heel of the actual shoe. So don't pull it too tight, but if you do, you can just sew the hole right on up. Also, when you're making your hole, be gentle. Make a tiny, tiny hole. It will pretty much open up for you, but a small, small hole. And if you happen to rip it any further than it should be, just go ahead and put the Fray Check on there. You're going to use that anyways, just so that it won't continue to rip and run anymore. Now grab your needle and thread. You will have excess sock on the bottom. You're going to need to sew that flap down so that it can be sturdy on the bottom. And this is how it should look. We can go ahead and put the grip on the bottom. So this DIY was super easy. I am not an arts and craft girl, and this came out perfect. The shoe gripper on the bottom made it feel like it was not a DIY, and the shoe was super sturdy. I was really shocked, y'all. You can definitely wear these and not feel like they're gonna fall apart. so that was it. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you all for now and for later. Thank you for watching. Tell a friend, share, like, comment, and subscribe, and get the stepping, okay? Thanks for watching.